What's up, y'all? Welcome to my underground bunker. I know I haven't done a video in a while. I've been moving and doing all kinds of things and had some family issues and stuff, but I'm trying to get back to doing some videos now. So I'm just going to do a little unboxing on this, and then I'm going to do some specs and some other things on it. And I have it mounted to the pistol that I'm going to use, and then do a long-term review, or a review of it at the range and such, see if it holds zero and things like that. But so as you can see, it's the primary arms. It's the CLX version. It's their cheaper version of their optics, but it looks like to be a pretty good one. So I haven't opened it yet, so y'all are seeing it as I see it. So this is the box it comes in. Tells you it's a 3 MOA dot. It's got the specs on the back. It says height 0.97, weight 0.98 ounces. Windage is 60 MOA. Elevation adjustment is 60 MOA. The battery is a 1632, 21,000 hours, 10 settings, and lifetime warranty. And trust me, on their lifetime warranty or primary arms, them guys are good about that. They really are. You should really consider primary arms if you're going to buy a cheaper optic anyway, because you buy them off of Amazon, man. I'm telling you, you're gonna get what you pay for. I promise you. All right, so it comes with the little foam pad. Comes with the little instruction booklet, which I do look over. I do like to read through and make sure everything's right, and it's just good. It seems like a good manual. I do appreciate that. Comes with the little tool. So I don't know, y'all know as much as I do, but pretty neat little tool. Comes with a little bikini cloth. And here's the meat and potatoes right here. So let's take a look at it. I'm guessing the battery is, well, here's your screws that you get with it, different mounting options. Mine's gonna go on a 365, so. Bag open. And it seems it's kind of got like a matte finish. That looks like some backup sights, whatever. I do appreciate that, the battery tray on the side. I have one of their older versions of the classic series, and it's under the thing. Of course, I've never had any problems out of it. I did a video on it a long time ago. Still running good. But so take a look at it. I haven't seen too many videos on this CLX. This is an enclosed optic too. So we'll see, how good it is and how good it holds zero and everything like that. There's your up and down buttons. Just says CLX, nothing too gaudy on it, man. And glass looks to be good quality glass. It's a budget option, but they got them on sale right now for 179 bones. And really, honestly, I don't think you can beat that from, especially from a reputable dealer like Primary Arms. Them guys over there, man, they're awesome, so, but I'll get it mounted, and I believe it's 7075 aluminum, but if it's not, I'll let y'all know. It is just like the red dot. I don't know if they're coming out with a different red dot cross. I don't like all that. Green, I've come to like red better than I do green. So, but all right, I appreciate y'all coming out. I just wanted to let y'all take a little look at it. Take another little look. Everything, the up and down windage. I like that it's. Let me see if it's click. I'll do that for y'all real fast. So this little tool has a little thing on there to adjust it. And I do like that instead of just sticking it in a little hold. See if it's click. Yep, it's click adjust. You can feel the clicks, they're tactile. So once I get everything put together and I get it on my 365, I'll do a little show and tell and do a little bit more specs on it and what I think about it. But I appreciate y'all coming out. If you could, like and subscribe. Tell me about this if you have it or not. It is the RMSE footprint too, or 507K, I believe, or something like that too. I can't believe it's a K or C or whatever, but it's an RMSE footprint. All right, I appreciate y'all. Thank you.